Hello guys, welcome to my videos, and today we are going to make chicken breast. I put some salt, just sprinkle some salt. Okay, we are making crispy chicken breast in an air fryer. Yeah, so today we are going to use an air fryer to make crispy chicken breast. Okay, so the first thing I'll do, just a simple process, very simple process. I put my chicken breast in the these are organic eggs, okay, like that. And then my hands are clean, guys. My hands are very clean. And then I sprinkle wheat flour, just a normal wheat flour. Okay, guys. Okay, there are 4 pieces. Very simple, guys, very simple. Okay, it's a 2 minutes preparation. Of course, this is not the hard chicken. Okay guys, we are done. Our chicken is there. Okay, and now here is our air fryer. The air fryer is here, guys. Okay, the air fryer is and this is for the temperature to grill. This is the on and off button, and this is the timer. I will put it on. All right, so the air fryer, so we are going to put it on, and I will set at 200, guys. 200. Okay, and then I will put my chicken inside. Go inside. Timer. I will cook for 45 minutes and then I will check. Okay, and okay guys, let's wait for 45 minutes and then we'll have our chicken. Maybe less, I will tell you. Bye for now. Welcome back, guys, and after 30 minutes, that's how our chicken look like after 30 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. There is our chicken. Very well cooked. I put some barbecue sauce. Oh guys, I'm telling you, it's so sweet. I have already tasted. It's so sweet. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.